This session provides you an overview of the program. I give you a breakdown of the sequence of sessions and what's included in each. I walk you through the change, how it will look, what it will involve, what you'll need to do, and what I'm giving you to make this easy so that you can't mess this up. This overview is designed to paint the picture for how we're going to create change together and the role you will play in that process specifically. This session was also created to put your mind at ease and to allow you to feel confident about your process. There are no tricks to changing core beliefs. There's just science and psychology and very real human empathy, which I have for anyone who feels stuck, because I believe we were all created for a purpose. And when we cannot align with that purpose, we are left then in times feeling lost, defeated, confused, and frustrated. So I wanted to open up this process to you and allow you to see the nuts and bolts, so to speak. The more you understand what we're doing, the less time you'll spend preoccupied with whether this is working or not, and more time engaged in this process. So as we begin, I just want to tell you once again how proud I am of you for believing in yourself enough to join me in session, and how honored I am to be a part of this journey with you. So let's get started.